So I caught this intermittent problem. I just happened to be here. Now this unit sometimes glitches and you can hear it. The motor for the blower turns off, the whole unit shakes because the blower turns off and immediately turns back on again. During that time that the blower motor turns off, the outdoor heat pump stays running and it goes down into the 30s on the temperature because there's no airflow, there's no load over the evaporator. Now this has been one of the ongoing long intermittents. It's been so intermittent, never been able to really dedicate it and dial it right down to what the point is. There we go again. I can hear the blower kicking off and on. So I'm starting to suspect either one, the board. This whole building has really bad electrical and they have a lot of voltage spikes and stuff like that because there's equipment switching off and on. The other one I wanted to see is I actually wanted to put the system on a USB battery backup system. So even if the AC kicked in and out for a second, any kind of problems with the whole building, this whole neighborhood or anything like that, it would not interrupt the power to the board. So, but I'm gonna bank, hopefully it's on the board. Before I used to think it was the thermostat, but now we have a new thermostat and it still does this. See, the system is actually off right now. Oh no, system is not off right now. Now what's happening? Oh, it came back on. Okay, I can hear it. But we should not be at 32 degrees. And last night on the Sensei Predict, I did get a warning for free. I got a whole bunch of warnings. I got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 flags for different things. But just setting the system up, and it's operating in cool temperatures right now. At least it's warmer today. It's 58 degrees outside. And right now, I heard the blower go off. Yeah, it's off. So right now the blower is off. And there it goes, it's diving back in the other direction right now. There's no blower right now, but the outdoor unit is running. So let's watch this. The blower just came on, I feel it. So now the blower is on, but it's still moving in that direction and it'll go back. So I gotta look into the board. All right, so I have another problem to diagnose on this abortion install beast, and what has been the nightmare on Elm Street to just get running and keep running. But as you can see, I'm putting in the time because they need it really bad. And this is all they got, and right now they cannot afford to have the correct system put into this facility. So my job is to make them productive and have this crop, this, you know, industrial commercial application here not fail on them, because as this fails, and this is all they got. So all right, I'll get back to you guys.